this is a kind of a departure from what I normally try to do, quite honestly, which I think is similar to what you're saying. Like when we go to, like Minnewaska Lodge as an example, you come in, there's a lobby, and then beyond the lobby is the great room. Mm-hmm. And it's a sort of a natural sequence of progression, and then you know that beyond the great room is the view. And so here, but the dilemma that we've been running into is, well, what is, like, so in many homes say, well, I pull up, so in this, one of the things that you've sort of said, which I think maybe I could rephrase, is I want to create this transparency because I want to kind of create a sense of what's beyond, what's on the other side.
Yes, okay.
So, okay, well, you can kind of see there's something beyond.
Yes.
So if you come into an entry, what do you want to have be beyond?
Beyond, right.
And so do you want it to be the great room or the living room beyond, and then beyond that is the pool? Or given that this is going to be a I'll call it multi-dimensional, multifaceted outside, inside living area.
Yes.
Don't you want to have all of these spaces organized to see that? So then maybe this needs to spread out a little or become its own space. So this is a gallery of its own. That calls you.
I could see that. I could see you moving that one room,
this down, this up.
Yes.
You know.
Yeah. It could be worked with. I don't cancel it out. I see that you can still work with that.
So part of the struggle, which we thought that this helps to resolve, is this
circulation
between the rest of the house and the master, and still having the master have some sense of its own identity, so to speak. And then also having the relationship of particularly pantry to kitchen, having a really generous kitchen. And I'm personally not against the notion of circulating through the kitchen to the master somehow.
Yeah, I'm not either.
But if we could go around it, so this is kind of through it, but if we could go around it in a way it feels better. I'm not hung up on it per se, one or the other, you know. But then again here, and again these are, I think this is
that's kitchen living.
This is kitchen.
No, I'm sorry.
That's
I'm sorry.
living. Yeah. kitchen living. You know, I kind of wanted to get all kitchen living and living all on this.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind having the living and I don't really want living close to the bedroom.
Right.
On the top section.
Right. So so it got a little. We would have to.
We'd have to work with that.
So
but okay.
So how does the second story go on now?
Which one? The angled one?
Yeah.
On any of them.
Well,